Second day with Army Recognition Editorial Team in IDEF 2021 in Istanbul. Today, as Army Recognition is the official provider of the online daily show news and web TV, we are focusing on the Turkish industry, manufacturing tanks as well as a whole range of armored vehicles, either autonomous or classic vehicles, ranging from tanks to infantry fighting vehicles.
I'm Zafer Özcan from company Koluman, head of the military projects. Koluman is a group company, one of the biggest dealer of the Mercedes-Benz Türk. Koluman has share in Mercedes-Benz Türk, 7%. We have right now two different concepts. One of them is tank transporter. The other one is a hook lift to carry the containers. These vehicles are produced for Turkish land forces to make the transportation of the goods. So in this product family, we have three different engine variants, 517 horsepower, the other one 578, last one is this 625 horsepower. We'll deliver 65 units of the vehicle in the following years, hoping to deliver these vehicles also to the NATO member. This is a truck tractor. With this 8x8 truck tractor, we are able to produce heavy trailers as low beds. So eager to register our products to the Army as a tank transporter.
There's an ambulance version or medevac version of the Cobra II that can transport, as you can see, one wounded guy and two patients sitting here, and the doctor or the medic just will sit here. The two seats can be removed and replaced by a second stretcher that is stored just right there in the vehicle.
My name is Furkan Katmerciler. I am executive officer of the company. We are manufacturing MRAP vehicles and light command vehicles, armored vehicles as well. Our president joined the exhibition. It was a big pleasure for us. He made the launch of two vehicles. One is called EREN. 4 years ago, Turkish boy was killed in terrorist attack. The name was EREN. Well, this is for narrow streets, urban fights. 250 horsepower and 4.5 liter of Cummins engine. It's very flexible, and with this one we completed the all segment in the armored vehicles in 4x4. And the second vehicle is called HIZIR 2. This is for 13 people and this is very high protection level and it's up to 20 tons. It can be developed to 13 to 14 people. In the soon, especially in Africa, these vehicles can be exported there to give the service to the militaries in there. This is autonomous system and we are developing it together with Aselsan. 4 different versions. One of them is the weapon station, as you see here, and one of them will be the wounded people to carry the places from there to out. One of them will be the gears of the army people to produce on there, and they will move flexible in the field. So it's a very good advantage for them. And one will be for the border security control. It can be surrounded by the infrared remote controlled cameras and masts and the other systems, so it can be used in the border security. This can be controlled around 8 kilometers away, and this can be modified for the high calibrated weapons as well, like 25mm cannons. This can be drive for up to 25 kilometers. In the future, we are working with the artificial intelligence for this one. Also, we will add for VR. This can be controlled from anywhere with the high reality. So it's going to be in the field.
My name is Burak. I am the sales and marketing director of Turkish company Meteksan. Meteksan is one of the leading Turkish defense electronics companies. So we have several activity areas like radar systems, perimeter surveillance systems, laser systems, communication systems, naval simulators and sonar systems. We are introducing our recent products. First of all, our Kapan counter-drone system. The system includes 3 main subsystems, which are drone detection radar, electro-optics, and jammer. Mini-micro UAVs, they become very important threat in all over the world. Terrorist organizations are using them with munitions or for surveillance. So stopping these drones is a very hot topic for all armed forces. So we have a very good drone detection radar which detects small drones from 4 kilometers. After the radar detected, we give information to electro-optics for tracking. After electro-optics catch the drone, it gives information to jammer to cut the communication signal of the drones. And it takes only a couple of seconds after the detection of the drone to stop it. Our company is responsible for the hull-mounted anti-submarine warfare sonar of Turkish Milgem corvettes. With the technology we gained from the hull-mounted sonar, we started to develop sonar systems for the submarine platforms. So the sonar systems we developed includes intercept passive sonars or flank array sonars, passive ranging sonars. They make complete integrated sonar suite for a submarine. We are planning to use our sonar system first of all in the Turkey's next indigenous submarine platform. ULAQ is our most famous and one of the recent products. It's a completely autonomous armed unmanned surface vehicle. The total length of the vehicle is around 12 meters. We completed all sea tests and firing tests. It's an autonomous system, so you give some waypoints, for example, so it can make sea patrolling. All the communication systems, command and control, software, sensors are made by Meteksan. The boat itself is made with our partner RWS Shipyard. So as I said, we completed all the tests and right now negotiating with SSB and Turkish Navy for the usage of the ULAQ for their requirements. And for the future also, instead of the missile systems, we are going to integrate different weapon systems, and the ULAQ 2 will be the anti-submarine warfare version, which is very important for both Turkish Navy and for our friendly countries. So currently we are working for the anti-submarine warfare ULAQ. One of the reasons of the helicopter accidents, as you know very well, is the obstacles, mainly the electricity wires. So detecting these electricity wires is very important for the helicopter pilot. Every year we have some accidents, not only in Turkey but in the worldwide. That's why we developed a new laser-based helicopter obstacle detection system, which we call HIZIR. We recently completed these tests. It is a very good product, and we detect 5mm wire from 1.5 kilometers. We are planning to use HIZIR in the beginning in the Turkish helicopters, and after that hopefully we will start the cooperation in the international market with helicopter manufacturers or the helicopter users.